Every variety we carry here at Bluestone Perennials goes through extensive trial, being evaluated for vigor, ease of growth, flower color and quantity, bloom duration, and more. Only the best of the best are chosen. It's always an exciting time when we unveil our new plant selections. Here are a few of our top choices for 2026. Primula, or primrose, welcome spring with bursts of color. Low-maintenance shade lovers, they're equally at home in borders, rock gardens, woodland gardens, or containers. Our new introductions include the electric blue Primula violetta, the bicolored Primula ballerina rhapsody, and the delicately scented Primula watercolor blue. Late spring and early summer bring iris, both short and tall. Long blooming and easy to grow, they make great cut flowers. Check out our new offerings. The aptly named Iris Center of Attention, with huge upward-facing blooms. Award-winning iris Fiddles on Fire, a multicolored compact beauty, and the dazzlingly colored Iris Tutu Blue. If you're a dahlia lover, you're in for a treat. We've added 34 new varieties of these gorgeous late summer bloomers in a variety of heights and colors. Among them are the brilliantly colored Dahlia Firebird, the elegant Dahlia Joey Paradise, and the charming compact Dahlia Tournesol. Echinacea crowns sunny gardens with long-lasting late summer blooms that nourish pollinators. Cut them for bouquets or leave the seed heads to feed birds in winter. Our new echinacea include Echinacea French Tips, featuring stunning pink petals tipped in white. Fragrant Echinacea Prima Spider, with beautiful upturned salmon rose blossoms. And frilly, long-blooming Echinacea Sunseeker Salmon. Whether you grow gladiolus for long-lasting cut flowers or for a dramatic vertical feature in the back of a garden, there's no other flower quite like them. Choose from new varieties like Gladiolus Fairy Tale Pink, bearing stately stems of vibrant pink. Gladiolus Vista, a violet-hued stunner painted with flecks of white and burgundy. And Gladiolus Velvet Raspberry, a mesmerizing mix of cherry red and deep raspberry ruffles. These are just a few of the dozens of new choices we've added to our offerings this year. For even more choices, see the New for 2026 link below. And for more ways to make gardening easy, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.